Everyone, so after completing crystalline states of carbon and amorphous forms of carbon, we are going to start with now the carbon dioxide. Occurrence of carbon dioxide we will be studying under free state and combined state. Now under free state, carbon dioxide is found in the atmosphere, that is about 0.03 to 0.04% carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Then in the region where volcanic eruptions can be seen or coal mines are there, carbon dioxide is found in its free state. And then in water bodies in the form of soluble carbon dioxide in water is there as free state. Coming to the combined state of carbon dioxide, it occurs in metallic carbonates or bicarbonates in the form of marble, that is calcium carbonate, or dolomite, that is a compound of magnesium and calcium carbonate. So these are the combined states of carbon. Next is preparation of carbon dioxide, that is general preparation of carbon dioxide. This is by heating particularly calcium carbonate or sodium carbonate. We get carbon dioxide formed, calcium oxide, and carbon dioxide is liberated. Again, sodium bicarbonate upon heating will form Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water. So this is again carbon dioxide is liberated out. Next is preparation of carbon dioxide by the action of dilute acids on metallic carbonates or bicarbonates. Now dilute acid can be dilute sulfuric acid or dilute hydrochloric acid. So when it reacts with dilute sulfuric acid will form sodium sulfate, water, and carbon dioxide is given out. So that is how the reaction of sulfuric acid with sodium carbonate and reaction of dilute hydrochloric acid with sodium bicarbonate will form sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide, which is given out, and you balance it. This is general preparation of carbon dioxide by heating and by the action of dilute acids on metallic carbonates or bicarbonates. We have laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide. For this, you have to understand the apparatus used here is, this is Wolff's bottle having two holes in it. Through one hole, thistle funnel is passing, and through the other hole, we have the delivery tube which is going inside the gas jar. Now, what is there in the Wolff's bottle? We have taken calcium carbonate, or you call them as marble chips. So they are taken in the Wolff's bottle. To the thistle funnel, we pour dilute hydrochloric acid inside the bottle. When the reaction takes place, carbon dioxide will start forming and will follow through the delivery tube, and it goes into the gas jar which is full of air. Since carbon dioxide is heavier than air, carbon dioxide will take the place and air is moved out. So that is how carbon dioxide is formed here, and the reaction for preparation of carbon dioxide in the laboratory is between calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. Sorry, I'll take another pen. So it is calcium carbonate, hydrochloric acid will form calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide, which is released. So this is the reaction for the laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide. Thank you so much. In my next class, we will be doing chemical properties of carbon dioxide gas. Thank you.